Hey, this is Charles Patrick. All my Trump supporters out there. Remember I was telling you all to get bold. Start telling these people about how you feel about Trump. You gotta get bold, okay? This is what I'm doing. Instead of putting up a yard sign that somebody can come kick down, I'm just gonna make my garage a Trump sign. I'm not great at this. I'm not a graffiti artist, but I'm doing. It's funny to you, but it'll work for now. Might piss off a few neighbors, but I pay the mortgage on this house. Where should I put it? Is that on Gilbert Wood? That's just the beginning of it. I'm gonna do the Pence part. Kind of raggedy, but people get it. You know what I'm saying? Get bold with it. For the ones out there who can't really see the T, I'll show you all the whole thing later. But the T is like that. T-R-U-M-P. Pence don't get that much accolade. I'll neaten his up a little bit with some colors around it. And then I'm gonna hit this 2016 in a minute. Come on. Yeah, open this up. I hate to open up cans of paint. That's right. Bet you they can't steal this sign right here. Even though nobody stole my sign before because I haven't put out a sign. But I know how they're doing it. They're stealing signs. Get bold, y'all. Make sure y'all get out there and vote. Get out there and vote because they don't think we're coming to vote. We got a big system to beat out there. We can only do this together. Sick of the politicians. I'm sick of Hillary. I'm sick of the Clintons, the Bushes, all the politicians. Let's go with Trump, y'all. I know it's running off. I'm not a graffiti artist. Put it side. Get the picture. You get the point. I want to look. Hey, it's Halloween. It look kind of spooky too, right? And this type stuff you can do when you don't have a HOA or whatever it's called. Nobody can tell me what I can do with my house. You know what I'm saying? You put Pence, a little blue on that one. I might go down the side with a little blue. 2016. So far, so good. Oh, the neighbors might be mad, but I don't care. Let's make it to the polls. We can paint our garages. We can put signs up. We can do all those things. But if we don't go vote, it doesn't make a bit of difference. So we need to make it to the polls. Vote Trump. Trump, Pence. We can do it. That's right. Put it out there. Let people understand where you stand. Should have got some of my graffiti artist buddies to do this for me, but we don't need them. We don't need no graffiti artists. We don't need no graffiti artists. We got Charles Patrick. Let's see if I can dance this up a little bit. Should I put? Nah, I ain't put that. 2016. That little blue down there might have done something. I'm gonna do red, the whole 2016 in red. Red, and then I'm gonna do the inside in black. You know what? I usually I paint my garage every year. I paint a big Merry Christmas sign on my garage every year. Pretty much almost every year. I'm probably miss one or two, but I usually do it every year. This year we're doing the Trump 2016, baby. Boom. See, I left the top a little bit about right here. So when I let my garage up at night, my dogs can get out whenever they want to. I have them leashed up. You know, I don't usually have them in the garage too much. But y'all get the picture. Trump, let me get back for y'all so y'all can see this. Trump 2016. You understand? Get bold, y'all. Don't be scared. Let me turn it sideways for you. I guess sideways will do for now. Trump, Pence, 2016. Vote. Get out and vote. This is Charles Patrick. Don't be scared, y'all. I'm tired of y'all scared conservatives out there and scared Republicans and scared independents out there. Because we know it's not only Republicans voting for Trump. We know it's a lot of independents and a lot of Democrats who just got tired of the BS because we know Trump is a third-party candidate. Let's do it, you all. Trump. Vote. Trump. Pence. 2016. Bet you they can't mess with that, y'all, or something.